Welcome. This is NeoCore, a revolution in accessible computing for the 2026 Blue Ocean competition. Here, we aren't just building a simple computer, we are building a bridge for students to their future. The problem is quite clear. 90% of Indian households, they lack a PC. Students are forced to use small, ineffective smartphone screens for complex tasks like coding in Python or manipulating spreadsheets. Traditional laptops, well, they start at $300, but which is out of reach for most, and all the cheap alternatives, they're all slow, buggy, and burdened by heavy operating systems like Windows. So we devised a solution. Meet the NeoCore, a $125 pocket-sized powerhouse. It's a solid-state device with no moving parts, running a custom, efficient Linux OS. It turns any existing TV or monitor into a full desktop workstation with a single HDMI cable. Here, our strategy, it follows the ERRC grid. We eliminate high-cost failure points like screens and batteries, cutting manufacturing costs by 60%. We reduce the footprint and power waste to levels compatible with standard phone chargers that may be lying in your household. We raise reliability through an immutable operating system architecture, and we create a brand new category, that being the $125 student workstation that leverages any TV found in 68% of households. As you can see in our strategy canvas, while the industry competes on integrated hardware, we diverge. We offer superior performance in student-critical areas where it matters the most, such as stability, speed, optimizations, and overall smoothness, while maintaining the absolute lowest cost barrier in the market. Specifically, we target 3 levels of non-customers. First, the soon-to-be students who are currently frustrated by writing essays on those tiny, greasy screens that they call phones. Then second, there are the refusing families who find current laptops too fragile, too expensive for their needs. And third, the unexplored rural communities who haven't yet even considered a computer, but would buy it if the prices allow. But don't worry, no matter who you are, the NeoCore, it's built to last. Its solid-state design means zero fans, 0 points of mechanical failure anywhere. And at just 45 by 80 millimeters with a thickness of just 10 millimeters, it's the only PC that fits in a shirt pocket or pretty much anywhere that you can think of, offering true ultra portability for anyone who is on the move. However, you might be wondering, how is this any different from all the other computers at the same price point? Well, it's here, the software. With our new experience, your computer will just boot in 8 seconds compared to, say, a minute on Windows. It uses only 650 megabytes of RAM at idle and features atomic updates that don't interrupt the user no matter what they're doing. It's a custom-built system built on top of the Raspberry OS that's designed to stay fast for years, not just months. Under the hood, we use the powerful Raza CM5 compute module with die-cast aluminum that doubles as both the case and the heatsink. But it's what's on the inside that counts. Therefore, we pre-install the open-source KDE Educational Suite as well as LibreOffice, which serves as a really good alternative to Microsoft Office, providing a professional-grade productivity package to not only students aged 10 to 18, but practically anyone who wants a productive interface. So with that in mind, our roadmap is set. R&D begins through early 2026 with our initial prototyping phase, and by the end of this year, we begin mass production with about 2,000 units projected by the end of this year. And in 2027, things get even better. We collaborate with multiple different nonprofits and NGOs and try to market our product to the people who may be unaware that such a product exists at such a nice price. And so, it's set in stone. This is new.